Hello everyone, welcome in Cool IT Help. In this tutorial, I will show you how to install JDK 12 on Windows 10. Guys, let's get started. Open your favorite browser and type JDK download and hit enter, and you will see all these results. And you have to choose first one, download kit 12 downloads Oracle. Do a right click and open this link in the new tab. Okay, and here we are on the download page. You can see Java SE development kit 12 download page, and here we have a lots of package for the Linux, Mac OS X and Windows. So we will download the exe for the Windows 10. Here we have to accept the license agreement by clicking on this radio button, and now we able to proceed. Now we can download any of the package. For our Windows 10, we are going to click on this link, Windows x64 bin.exe file. So click once on this link and downloading will be started. You can see on the left corner of the browser. Here the file is downloading and the size of this exe is 159 MB, and it will take time. It depends on your internet speed. So guys, file is downloaded completely. Now we will go inside the folder where it is downloaded, and here we are, and this is the exe file. We have to launch it, so just double click on it, and you will see this message from the Windows. Here you have to click on the yes button, and you will see the installer windows and installer icon is blinking in the taskbar. Click once and you will see the Windows installer, this small window, and you will see this message preparing to install, and here's the welcome window for the installation. Okay, simply we have to click on the next button, and here you can see the installation location. You can note down this installation location. We will use this to set the path. Okay guys, so it is going inside the program files. Click on the next button and you will see the progress bar. Here's the status progress bar is showing. Guys, it will take 1 or 2 minutes for the complete process. Okay, status bar is running. Okay, after finishing the 100%, it will show you a message that JDK 12 is successfully installed, and if you want to read documentation, so click on the next step, otherwise you can click on the close. Okay guys, it is done now. Now we will verify it is installed properly or not. To verify it, we have to open the command prompt. You can go from the start button, or you can just type it here, CMD, and press enter, and this will open the command prompt right here. Here we have to type Java-version and press enter. Now you can see still it is showing the previous version, because we have already installed the previous version and we have not changed the path, and the installer, and we have installed the JDK 12, so that installer was not successful to change the path inside the environment variable, and now we have to set the environment variable. Okay guys, now go to the PC and do right click, go to the properties, and here you can click on this advanced system settings, and then system properties window will appear, and right here we have to click on this button, environment variables. Click here and this variables window will appear. Now here we have to do some minor changes. Now you can see we already have this Java_home system variable, and the path is set for the JDK 1.8. Now we have to edit. As you can see, we have Java_home, and the variable value is the path for the JDK 1.8. Now we have to set the path for the JDK 12. We are doing this thing because we have Java already installed. So some of you guys have a Java previous version on your system, then you will face this problem. If you don't have the previous version of Java, then your JDK will install automatically, and that will be reflected on the console when you type Java-version. Then you will see Java 12 is installed successfully. Now we will change this. Okay, here we have to give the path of the JDK 12. Okay, now I'm going to get the path. Now going inside the C drive. So Java is installed inside the program files. So here I am inside the program files. Then I have to look for the Java folder. So this is the Java folder, and here's the JDK 12 folder. Okay, just click on it and I will copy the path up to bin folder. Okay, now I'm coming back here in the environment variable value. So I will delete the previous one and paste the new one. Now you can see I have given the path up to JDK folder. Okay, we have to give the path up to JDK folder. Now we have to set this variable as well, gre_home, otherwise it will create problem. We have to give the same variable value, but we will remove the bin folder. We will give the path up to JDK folder. Okay, that's it. And now we have to change the path variable as well. Select the path, click on the edit button, and you will see the path of JDK folder, and then we have a bin folder as well associated on the same path. So at this place in the path variable we have to give the path up to bin folder, but here we will give the path of JDK 12 up to bin folder. Okay guys, I will replace it this way. Now you can see I have given the path up to bin folder. I hope this is clear to you. Okay, in the path we have to give the path up to bin folder. Click OK to save it. Okay guys, everything is saved now, and we will click OK once again. To close these windows as well, click OK at this place as well, and everything is set. Now JDK 12 is in action, and I will close this console window, and again I will open the CMD, and we will verify the JDK 12 installation. Now again we have to type java-version, press enter, and you can see Java version 12.0.2 is in action now, and whatever you are going to do, that will be built with Java 12. So guys, your Java 12 installation is successful on Windows 10. I hope you guys have clear understanding on the whole process. If you found this video useful, so guys, please share it with your friends as well, and guys, please like and subscribe my channel and press the notification bell icon to get the latest video updates. And guys, thanks for watching Cool IT Help.